Alright, YouTubers, welcome back from that quick tip on how to set up Inilabs installer to start the installation process. And now we are going to look at how to set your local time zone on Inilabs school management system. But before we go to that, let's have a look at the side, the virus system side, which I have here. You can visit the virus system side, see the services they carry out, their team members we have there about the virus. And then our blog is here, where you can have news, you can have tutorials, and then you can have applications to download all over that you need. Applications that are pre-installed already, others comes with installer, then others are null that you can download and then use on your local machine. So without wasting my time, let's dive into seeing how to set our local time in Inilabs school management system. Yeah, anytime you're installing an Inilabs school management system, there's a portion that you have to select your time zone. And how do you configure your time zone before you start installing Inilabs school management system? So when it gets to that point, then you select your time zone. So to do that, let's go back to our Inilabs folder, Inilabs 4. Then we have MVC. Then we'll come to config. Then we have time zone. We have time zone here. Time zone underscore class PHP. These are the time zones in Inilabs school management system. So we are going to add our local time zone into it. Now I can see Africa here. Where is Africa? Chiri, chara. I have Africa here, Nairobi, which is Kenya, and that is their local time on it. So I want to add my two as well in Inilabs school management system. So I'm going to add Ghana local time. So I'll have let me see where to fix it. Okay, we are 1 hour late to London, so let me say London is ahead of us. So I have here Africa, then slash, and the capital of Ghana, which is Accra, and then that is mapping to my time zone. And then we have Greenwich Meridian. I have here. Then we have the name of my country, which is what, Ghana. Then a column to end it. So comma to end it, and then I can save it. Now anytime you are going to install Inilabs school management system, then you will have the ability to select the option for your time zone. So thank you so much for staying around with the virus system, and then please do subscribe to my channel if you like my videos, and then share and comment. Don't forget that, it's very important.